What's up everybody, this is Bo. Bo is back. Today I'm introducing you to my new project here. This is a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter. This one is a 144 wheelbase gas model engine. Probably don't get to start to work on it until at least maybe another week or so. As you can see, this big storm coming next gonna last. It's gonna bring super heavy rain and it's gonna last 3 to 4 days. So I just want to get this short video out and introducing you guys to my new project. This is a cargo van to start with. It's very basic. This van belongs to a friend of mine and he doesn't want a lot of things in it. It's gonna be used for, you know, carry some stuff sometimes and pretty much on a short trip here and there. So it's gonna be bad, and we're gonna put one T-vent window on the sliding door, a shower, and walls and nice floor, and that's it. It's going to be a unique build, a unique layout that I haven't done it before. It's very simple, but I think you're gonna like it if you like simple and a quick travel family van. So this is it. So don't forget, please, if you like this kind of content, stick around. Please subscribe to this channel and let's go ahead and build this van together. After 2 Home Depots and 3 hours later, you guys, I think we got what we wanted. And the shiplocks are so hard to find. Show 100 in stock in this Home Depot, but they were in the upper storage level, and we waited for the driver to bring it down. They didn't have any driver available, so we got it. What a beautiful day it is, you guys. So today I am going to first work on installing the window, the sliding door window. It's going to be the CRL T-vent window. After that we can work on the insulation. We can, you know, since we're waiting for a few things for the insulation, we can get the window going and get some, you know, light and ventilated inside the van. Before we start on any window, I recommend to check to make sure you have the right window before you start cutting the hole in your van. So let's hope we get the right window. Okay, it's supposed to be the T-vent window here, the biggest window in the van. Want to handle it gently. Okay. I want to handle it gently, you guys. I'm supposed to put some kind of a cushion underneath it, so I'm not gonna move it right now. I'm gonna go find something to put underneath. By looking at it, I know it's the right one, but I just want to make sure that this window doesn't require any glue. That's why you have this framing right here. So I'm gonna take this frame and kind of try it on. Okay, so yes, this is the right window. This window has the panel inside here. We're gonna go ahead and remove it first by using a flat screw driver. Pop that first lay out, and then use this tool to take out. This is the just the clip, the small clip. Now what we're gonna do next is to mark the stamp out here. This is the window stamp out here. Along this line right here, we're gonna drill pilot holes along that, the edges, and then we go on the outside, trace it out. We're gonna draw that line, and then we're gonna use a jigsaw drill to cut along that line. But let's go ahead and remove these clips out. So I'm preparing for making the pattern from the inside. I'm going to drill the pilot holes using the really, what size is small drill bit right here. It's up to you how small or how big you want. And then have a nice set of this is a medium metal cutting drill bit. Okay, that will work. And then I also kind of tape up the surface, the bottom of my jigsaw here to prevent from scratching the paint. And also we're gonna do the masking tape on around the perimeter as well, and also the floor. Since we have, you know, doggies running around here, we don't want any metal shavings all over the floor, so I'm using the plastic to catch all of that area. Now I'm ready to make the cut. Don't forget my pilot hole here to fit my saw bit, and then gloves and goggles. We're gonna start cutting from the bottom and then work our way up and then finish the top last. You guys, here's a big piece of window. Now all we have to do is file it a little bit, and then we apply the anti-rust paint protection. After you cut it, you should try your window dry fit it first to make sure it dries fit, and then you clean it up and apply the anti-rust paint. But in this case, I already applied the anti-rust paint. We're gonna do a dry fit anyway to make sure it fits. Okay, we need to adjust a little bit. I cut a little bit inside. If I go with this hole right here, the edge of that hole, I should be fine. So, all right, we need to kind of trim it down a little bit. The CRL Lorne windows doesn't require glue, but it does come with this frame here that you clamp from the inside, and they have pre-drilled screw holes here, but not on the window framing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead pre-drill small holes with the same pattern as the frame here came with it. Just a small hole so that when you're in there, you don't have to force too much. You know, it might slip or something. It's easier for you to drill in. So this is I think 7/64 drill bit size. So I'm gonna go ahead. There's a channel between here. Okay, make sure you drill into that channel. With the help from somebody on the outside, I'm gonna go ahead, make sure everything is even, especially the top. It's more important because that's where the water is coming in. Make sure it's even out. Now, right now you can see a little bit of light because of the gap until you screw this in, and then it will kind of clamp that really tight. I have all the screws tightened, and now I'm just checking to make sure that they are seated. They are seated very well. Especially these top ones. Okay, these are good. And I don't miss any screw holes. Okay, it looks good. Okay, our window looks nice, you guys. T-vent window. Look at that. Flashes with the door. Okay, looks good. Now we're gonna do a water test. Okay, we spray the water to test it. Let's see if any leaks inside. Looking good. No sign of water leak. Okay, sliding door window is done. This is the all Lawrence T-vent window. I'm gonna give you the model number after this. So thank you so much for watching, everybody. It looks good, and don't forget, please subscribe, please share my channel, and I will see you next episode. This is Bo. Bye. It's the model number for the T-vent window. It's W625R. Okay, this Sprinter 07 Plus right hand sliding door. Okay, T-vent. Okay, sliding right hand. That is the passenger side, because some European, I think European Sprinter van in Europe. Sliding door on the driver's side, that's why.